How well did you feel you were prepared and informed before the cruise?
Very, very well. The Facebook page, the communication with the travel agent, the communication with Helen and Chris was just amazing. We really felt like we were informed really well.
Yeah, with the package that's provided, whether you inform yourself beforehand or not, that package has everything you need.
It was very well organized. I mean, the buses, we didn't have to worry about getting any place. Everything was looked after for us. That was a major plus.
And really, I had a great time. I met great people. The pre-cruise trip was terrific, and also the whole cruise, how it was organized. The meetings every night were terrific. You know, I can't say enough about it, about how great it was.
Everything is exactly as it should be. The hotels, everything, and it was there's a lot of organization that went into doing all of that, an awful lot of organization. I'm glad it wasn't me. I'm very happy to have just tagged along for it all.
I have to say that I was a little bit concerned about being with a huge group of people, so I was worried about being overwhelmed with too much activity, too many people, too much geocaching, and I was blown away by the fun that we had and how great everybody was.
The group thing is excellent. I would recommend it to everybody.
Really enjoyed the tours that were organized because they were geared to us.
And just really the group meals, especially the one in Russia, just seeing everybody relax and have fun, and everybody was just getting along so well. Really just connecting with other geocachers and making new friends.
I couldn't really pick a highlight. I really found highlights everywhere.
Would you consider taking another Landsharkz Geocaching Cruise?
Yep.
Gee, let me think about that. Okay.
When's it start?
Would you recommend an adventure like this to anyone else?
Sure. Yeah. By all means.
100%.
Yeah.
Especially for those people who've never cruised before, it's definitely well worth doing it. So I would recommend that, yeah, do it, go, life is short, enjoy.
Absolutely.
Oh, certainly.
Absolutely.
Would you consider taking another Landsharkz Geocaching Cruise?
Yes.
Absolutely, in a heartbeat. We've already talked about it and bringing the kids next time.
Would you recommend this adventure to someone else?
Yes.
Yes, as long as we're already booked.